Hi guys, today in this video I'm gonna show you how you can put your IBAN number in your Google AdSense account. If you are also having issue while typing your IBAN in your Google AdSense account, so this video is for you. It's very easy, very simple. You just need to do some changes in your IBAN and you will be eligible to put your IBAN in your Google AdSense account. So guys, you have to come in your mobile notepad and you have to type your IBAN like this. You have to watch here very carefully. You just need to put your first two letters of your IBAN, then you will give space, then you will write next two letters, then you will give space again, then you have to put the complete IBAN number. Guys, as you can see, I have put my first two letters, then I give space, then I put my second two letters, then I write my complete IBAN number. So you just have to copy your IBAN number, then you will go in your Google AdSense account. It's actually a wrong IBAN number. I have to show you how you can put your IBAN number in your Google AdSense account. So you will come here and paste your IBAN number here. As you can see now, it's visible, it's very easy. You can see now. I will retype my IBAN. So it was a wrong IBAN only for showing you. So guys, this was the video. This is how you can put your IBAN number in your Google AdSense account. Please subscribe.